Hello and good morning, guys. This is your host and host Sahzad Arsi, and you have started watching Sahzad Arsi YouTube channel. We are covering Google 200 ranking factors, and as you can see, I have covered part 1 to part 8 of Google 200 ranking factors, and today is part 9. Means today is the last part of Google 200 ranking factor. Still you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm putting lots of effort of making this type of videos. And in the upcoming videos we are covering, next in the series we are covering SEO. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you found this video, please share it in your community. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Google 200 ranking factors. We are taking inspiration from this backlinko.com because this is the guy Brandon who has covered Google 200 ranking factors. So we have covered part 1 to 8, and if you haven't watched it, again I'm repeating, go there, or you will find in the playlist section, in the SEO playlist section, you will find all the 8 part I've covered there, or I will be dropping the link in the video description. Do check the video description of so that you watch all the earlier Google 200 ranking factors. Okay, today we are going to cover part 9 of Google 200 ranking factors, and today we are going to cover about off-site web spam factor. Let's begin. Okay. Okay, head site. It starts from 191. Head sites. If your site gets hacked, it can get dropped from search results. In fact, search engine land uh, was completed de was completed complete de-indexed after Google thought it had been hacked. Okay, means what this point reflect is that if your site gets hacked, then it will be dropped from search engine. Your site will be get de-indexed, means your site will not appear in the Google search. Okay, for any given keyword. Even with search engine land, this is very famous website for SEO related queries. Okay, so even this site got hacked, and when this site got hacked, see, search engine land, when this site got hacked, it also dropped and got de-indexed from search result. I hope this point is clear. Let's move to the next point. 192. Unnatural influx of links means you haven't built links for a month or two, and suddenly you are getting what do you call, hundred of thousands of link on a weekly basis, or you are getting hundred of links on daily basis. That is called unnatural. That is not good practice in the eyes of Google, and Google doesn't likes it. Google likes it natural flow of link. What is natural flow of link? Means a link built over a period of time. Means slow and steady wins the race. That is what Google likes. Means if you want to increase your domain authority, then you should keep an eye on natural link building practice, like building some natural links. Okay, that is over a period of time. Means uh, that is what Google likes. And if you have got no links in the last 6 months, and suddenly within a month you have got hundreds and thousands of links, that is bad practice, and avoid that. Okay, that is what Google is stating here. 193 point, we have penalty. What this does: sites that were hit by Google Penguin are significantly less visible in search, although apparently Penguin now focuses more on filtering out bad links versus penalizing entire websites. Means what Penguin penalty has does that means if you are hit by a Penguin penalty, your search result gets if your search result get influenced, means you will be downgraded in the search result. Okay, within the search result, whether it is Google or any other search engine. Okay, and what penguin penalty is, means it main focus is to filter out the bad links. Okay, if your website is getting bad links, then they doesn't penalize your entire websites. In fact, they penalize your certain pages. Means in for certain pages, if you have built done bad link building practices and build hundred of thousand of links for certain of your pages, means suppose I take my example, if I go in my website and if I build what you call 100,000 of link for this website group funnels review. Okay, if I build 100,000 of link for this page, okay, then what Google will what Google penalty what Google Penguin penalty will do, it will not Google Penguin will not penalize me the entire site. As other C will not be impacted. In fact, this page will be impacted. Means this page will be penalized and it will not appear in the search result. I hope this point is clear. Okay, let's move to the next point. Link profile with high percent of low quality of links. If you are getting enough links and that is of no what you call of low quality, okay, if you are getting enough link that is of low quality, that is also very bad practice. How you will check that whether you are getting links and that is of low quality? Take your site. Suppose I am taking my site, copying. Okay, don't judge this size, guys, because it's brand new site and I have I haven't put in any effort, so my domain rating is not high, as you can see. So let's move. So what this does is link profile with high percent of low quality. How you will check? Let You can check it in this from two sites. One is from Moz Link Explorer. Just type in Link Explorer. Moz site will pop out. Enter your what you call website here. Okay, and get free link data. It will count it. Okay, and once it counts it, let it scroll so I can show you what I want to show you. Means link profile with how you will check that whether you have got link from high quality or from low quality sites. Link profile with high quality of low links means you will check it when you come on this link explorer in Moz. Okay, when you put your site, you will see that when you put your site, you will see that your page authority, your domain authority, linking domains, inbound links, how much inbound links you have. And if you click on inbound links, okay, once you click on inbound links, yeah, see, inbound links, you will find out the link quality here. See, from what domain authority I'm getting links. See, guys, this is the domain authority where I've been where from where I'm getting links. Domain authority 23, 36, 36, 27, 27, 16, 11, 17, 17, last is 7, guys. And you can see all are no follow links, all are no follow links, and I have to remove this type of links from the Google disallow. Okay, I have to remove this type of links so that my site doesn't get what you call any bad effect in the eyes of Google. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Let's move to the next point. Link profile. Yeah, link from unrelated websites means you are talking about digital marketing and you are getting links from what you call health related websites like Healthline or GetFit. Okay, you should build links to your related sites. If you are speaking about digital marketing, then you should get links from your niche related site. Okay, that is speaking about digital marketing. Okay, so I hope this point is also clear. Unnatural link warning means what this point shows that Google has sent out thousands of Google Search Console noticed of detected unnatural links message. This usually precedes a ranking drop, although not 100% of the time. You will get unnatural link warnings in your Google Search Console. When you come on the Search Console, if you haven't created your Google Search Console, it's very straightforward. And if you want me, you can watch any of the video in the Google in the YouTube, and you will find that how to create your Google Search Console. When you create your Google Search Console, then over a period of time you will find that if Google is showing any warning, then you will find that warning here, what you call in the left hand side. Okay, you will find the warnings, and when you click on this left hand sides like coverage issues, suppose in the coverage issues, if you have any coverage issues, you will check it. If you have any error, it will show error. In my case, it is showing 0 error. If it shows error, you need to fix that. That is what Google is showing here, what you call unnatural link warnings. Okay, you should avoid that. low quality directly links. You should not get low quality links from the from any directories, because this is bad practice in the eyes of Google, and Google can penalize you. Okay, penalize your whole site. Okay, about that, low quality links from the directory. Let's move to the widget links. Widget links is the links that is on the sidebar. Okay, means it is my websites, and I can put any links in the widgets area. In the widget area I can put any of the link, means whether I want to point out someone else's website, I can find their website in my through my widget area, and that is not liked by Google. See, so you should avoid that. Google prone on links that are automatically generated when user embeds a widget on their site. When you embed a widget on your site, then it generates automatic link, means some affiliate links, or what you call some others sites that want a link from you. Then you should avoid that, and you should avoid this type of link. Okay, link from same class C APIs, means if you are getting lots of links from the C class APIs. What is C class APIs? That is not good reputed in the eyes of Google. That is called C class APIs. If you are getting lots of links from the same C class APIs, uh, then your site may be banned, or your site may be de-indexed. So it is called C class APIs. For example, you can take blog networks, means someone is having hundreds and thousands of blog. Okay, and you are getting links from from their different blogs, and all are linking to your website. That is called C class APIs, and Google can ban your entire site. So you have to avoid that. Poison or anchor text. Okay, what this states that, let me explain you. Having poison anchor text, especially pharmacy keywords, pointed out to your site may be a sign of a spam or hacked site. Either way, it can hurt your site ranking. If you are having pharmacy, means medical related keywords, and it's pointing to you, then it is called bad practice, and it can it in the eyes of Google, it is called spam or hacked sites. So you should avoid this type of link that is related to pharmacy, and you should disallow that link, because in the eyes of Google it is called spam or hacked link, and it will de-index your site, or it will penalize your site. Okay, avoid this poison and context. Unnatural link spike, means suppose you are not getting, as I told you, you are not getting enough link for month or 6 months, and within a month you are getting huge spike in links, means hundred and thousand of link is pointing to your website. Then Google doesn't like it, and it will penalize your whole site. Okay, it will penalize your whole site if you are getting not getting enough links for the past 6 months. No link in the past 6 months or 1 year, and in within a month you are getting hundred and thousand of links. You should avoid this type of links, otherwise Google will penalize your whole site. Link from articles and press release. Google does not like link from articles and press release, because in article and press releases, what they do, they just abuse the system, and do bad practice. So Google doesn't like links from articles and press releases. So if you want to build links, build naturally, avoid this type of link practices like from article and press releases. That is of no use. Okay, manual actions. There are several types of this. But most are related to black hat link building. If you are building unnatural links, that is under black hat method, and Google can take manual action. And if Google has taken manual action, you will get what you call a Gmail notification, and within your search, within your Google search console, you will find this coverage issues, or any issues you will find here. Okay, come on the search console and explore this topic. Left hand side you will find, if Google has taken any manual action, you will find that what you call error here. Okay, let's move to the next point. Selling links. If you are indulge in selling links, means someone is telling that I will give you the links, okay, for 100,000 or 10,000 rupees from high authority site. Don't indulge in that practice, otherwise Google may sense it and may penalize your whole site. Google Sandbox is something like when your site is new. See, when your new sites that get a sudden influx of links are sometimes put into Google Sandbox, which temporarily limits each visibility. Means when your site is brand new, then if you build some links, then Google will put in the sandbox, and means for certain keywords you will not be visible, because Google thinks that this is brand new site, then how it's possible that it is getting hundred and thousands of link. So means certain influx of link you are getting. If your brand new site, then your site may be penalized, or your site may be hurt. Okay, on the long run, what Google wants, if your brand new site, build on the branding part and content part. Just write content, and don't go for the link building if your site is brand new. Okay, build content, build your brand, then you can go with the link building part. Okay, and that is what Google likes. Dance is something like the Google Dance can temporarily shake up rankings. According to Google pattern, this may be way for them to determine whether or not a site is trying to game the algorithm. Google Dance is for certain keywords. One day you are in the position first, next day you check that you are in the position third, or next day, the very next day, third day you check that you are in the position fifth. Means Google want to check the whether you are not gaming the system, and through this Google Dance they will give you different positions, and if you are in within different positions, if you are getting enough CTR, then Google will give you reward and it will bring your site up. Okay, I hope this Google Dance is clear to you. This is our tools. uh, Guys, this is our tool is very important if you are someone who is in SEO field, because over a period of time, as I showed you, I have got some links that is of, see, this is of no use, and I want to disallow this type of links. So what I will do, I will select this type of links, means I will select this type of links, and I will copy it in my txt format, and I will go to the Google disallow. I will type in Google disallow, Google disallow tools. One I type in, then the very first link will point me to the where I want to disallow things. Since I'm logged in through my Google, through my Gmail, that, and I have my webmaster, means search console, with this Gmail, so I can add my site here. Select a property. Within a select a property, I want to select, I have to select that what you call property, or select that website. And when I select that website, I have whatever link I don't want to index, or I don't want my site to link, or just I want to remove that what you call websites that please this type of links, I don't I don't want link from this type of links. Then I will go there and I will enter the what you call links. You have to upload in the txt format, and just follow the process. So I hope this Google disallow link is clear to you, and it is very essential. If check your links whether your link is natural, and if it is unnatural, some spammy links has built, then you can disallow that type of link. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Reconsideration request, a successful reconsideration request can lead to penalty. Means that is what I have. These two are interlinked. So if you are getting if your site is get what you call hit by any of the penguin penalty, then you can you can submit a reconsideration form to Google, and Google will see that whether you are genuine and whether you are truthful person. Then they will reconsider it, and they will remove or lift the penalty. Means they will remove the penalty. Okay, temporary links scheme. What this shows that Google has caught on to people that creates and quick remove spamming link, also known as temporary link schemes. Means Google has caught on to people that create and quickly remove spammy links, also known as temporary links. Don't indulge in this type of links. Means someone says that I will quickly remove your links, or I will spamming link I will quickly remove, or remove your spammy links, okay, or I will quickly build links quickly the link schemes, that is I will quickly remove your spammy links or I will quickly build links for you. Don't indulge this in this type of practice, otherwise Google will penalize your site and your entire site may be de-indexed. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video, spread in the community whomsoever you think this video might help. And that's it. So this is Azad Arsi signing off for now, and see you in another exciting video. Bye, take care.